Prince George's County continues to lead Maryland in an unfortunate statistic. It has the highest foreclosure rates in the state.
That's right, and that's why one group is reaching out to homeowners and tenants who may be in trouble. Jessica Quincosa with the Community Legal Services of Prince George's County is joining us now to discuss outreach efforts. So how bad a problem is foreclosure here in Prince George's?
Prince George's County still leads the state with orders to docket, which is when the foreclosure process is being processed through the circuit court. For tenants in foreclosure, it can mean being evicted without knowing, because sometimes they don't open the mail and see that the homeowner is actually in foreclosure.
And those who are experiencing foreclosure, obviously they don't have enough money to afford some of the services being offered, but your organization does offer some free services. For
income eligible residents of Prince George's County, all of our services are free. We have brief advice with a expert foreclosure attorney. And we also have legal assistance that can assist with loan modification if that's something that's feasible.
So you had just mentioned it isn't just the homeowner that's often affected by this, it's the tenant, their landlord or the owner of the house. How are your services, divided between the two?
So we'll provide assistance to both homeowners and tenants. So if a tenant suspects that their homeowner could be in foreclosure, they can come and visit our services. We have a foreclosure clinic available at the Upper Marlboro Courthouse, where on Friday afternoons, where they can meet with an experienced foreclosure attorney that can advise them on the tenant process and what their rights are as tenants in foreclosure. We also, by appointments on Mondays, they can also schedule an appointment with the attorney.
So, just give us an idea of some of the actual rights that tenants do have.
Depending on how long their lease is and whether or not they're bona fide tenants, they're entitled to notice of the foreclosure process. They may be entitled to a specific amount of time during the process that they can stay before they're being evicted. So there's always relief available, as long as they come and visit our services with enough time, or as soon as they find out what's going on.
And you just said within enough time. What is the anticipated amount of time that people should wait before coming to see you?
I think ideally as soon as they find out or suspect something, the sooner in the process that you receive assistance, the sooner that you may have additional options.
And if some people are frightened to come forward because they are uncomfortable asking for help, what are some words of encouragement you can give them?
Our services are free. We don't provide any identifying information to anybody. We do take some demographic information that we keep for our reporting purposes, but we won't have your name or anything available to the public. They can sign up for our clinic. If they're nervous about going to the courthouse for any reason, they can also visit our main office on Mondays, and they would just call and get an appointment with our attorney.
And you just mentioned demographics. What type of demographics are the hardest hit here in this problem?
So a lot of it is folks in that middle income. They got loans that they probably were overly qualifying for at the time, and then they've lost their jobs. Seniors seem to be an issue. They've owned the home for a while. Their income has maintained the same amount for years, and the taxes continue to increase, or their rent. They had a balloon payment on their mortgage. They didn't understand that at the time, but a lot of seniors are also signing reverse mortgages for their homes, and now sometimes they forget that they need to pay taxes and insurance for that. So there's a lot of different things that can happen when you're not sure where to go, and we're a service that can provide those services for you and help you.
Yeah, and it's just very unfortunate that so many people are experiencing foreclosure in Prince George's County. What is your outlook for the future with the amount of people that are coming for help, asking for help? I mean, do you see this problem ever either declining or going away completely?
I think there is going to be a point where it starts to decline and dwindle. Hopefully, if folks are meeting with us early in the process, we can help them with a loan modification or some sort of way to stabilize their housing situation. Loan modification may not always be feasible for everyone, but there may be other alternatives for them.
All right, and we just want to mention, in addition to those free services, you also offer some pro bono representation as well, so we just want to get that out there.
Correct. We also provide pro bono services for family law cases, for landlord-tenant cases. All of our services are free to income-eligible residents of Prince George's County. They just need to reach out to us, and we'll try the best we can to assist them.
All right, and we want to give people a place to go if they do need more information on the services provided or for assistance. You can call 240-391-6370 and go for extension 2.